Westwood is an addition and an expansion, and Westwood is in the final phases of a major master plan that has gone on for approximately a decade. There are two parts to this project at Westwood. The first part is going to be the major additions of classroom spaces. That addition is going to be a new component of architecture that's going to be adjacent to and part of the existing high school campus. And then there will be another addition to the front for other spatial needs and requirements. Once that they are done, that gives the flexibility for spaces and activities inside the school to move into those new locations and new facilities, and allow the construction team to go in and work more strategically inside to remodel and refresh parts of the building. The purpose is one, to begin to consolidate those classrooms back into the actual school itself, and two is that Westwood High School is more aged, so it's a matter of refreshing some of the interior spaces. The main portion is that the new classrooms will be much more of a desirable academic environment. We're looking for the first phases to be accomplished by move-in fall 2021.